Hi, I'm Dave from ArmorLite. Let me show you the ArmorLite product here that's out on the table. This is a replacement floor system. It's intended to go into your Jeep and basically replace the carpet. So your carpet would come out, this product would go in its place. The way it's different from your carpet is numerous. First, we have a really good polyester insulator that stops the heat and the noise from coming through the vehicle, whether it's road noise or tire noise. It is really good at knocking the noise down, but most importantly, the thermal performance is what our customers appreciate the most. It stops that heat right at the sheet metal. Each footwell in the ArmorLite floor system has a drain hole. This hole aligns with the existing hole in your sheet metal that's already in your Jeep today. And basically we have a drain plug of multiple color options that pushes all the way through the floor and the sheet metal and locks into the sheet metal. So you would have an overlap system of your fronts. You have a mid that covers your entire back seat area going underneath the bench seat and to the waterfall. And then in most cases we have the full vehicle kit, which includes a section that goes all the way to the tailgate and up the wheelhouse covers. So essentially all the fiber and carpet in your vehicle that most people hate is removed, and it's replaced with this durable product. You would never put floor mats over this product because that functionality is already integrated into it. I'll take you over here and show it to you installed in the vehicle. So this is the rear seat of the vehicle. This is a JKU Wrangler. And basically this is what we call the mid. It fits very tightly, it fits very nicely. It is designed specifically for this model. As you can see, it fits very nicely underneath the console, it fits under the trim, and you require no tools to install this. It is basically lift your trim pieces out, raise your center console, remove your carpet, put this in its place, snap your trim back into place, and you're good to go. When you're ready to clean it up, you basically flip open your drain plugs and then you hose it out. Might require a little scrubbing here and there, but it comes back to factory clean every time. In fact, the vehicle that you're looking at right now is 3 years old. This floor is 3 years old. It's been on every trail from Rubicon to Pennsylvania, and it still cleans up and looks factory clean every time. If you'd like more information about this product, it's made in the Asheville, North Carolina area, in Old Fort, North Carolina specifically. And if you'd like to know more about the product or where to order it, you can go to goarmorlite.com and it will ship from our factory right there in North Carolina to your front door.